Attention police, this is Ben the Weatherman with breaking news. We are under a flood emergency for Bergen County, New York County, Fairview County, Midland Park, and Oakland. Impacts include low visibility and heavy rainfall will lead to flooding. Again, this is a flood emergency, a flash flood emergency for Bergen County, New York County, Fairview. Impacts does include damaging winds and low visibility and heavy rain. Try to avoid traveling in these type of conditions. This is Ben the Weatherman with breaking news. Back on your first alert forecast.